In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run multiple Chrome profiles for different accounts. If you juggle work, personal, school, or client logins, using separate Chrome profiles keeps everything neatly organized, bookmarks, extensions, history, and sign-ins, without constantly logging in and out. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. In the top right, click the circular profile icon. If you already see more than one profile, you can switch right there. To create a new one, choose Add or Add New. Chrome will open a setup window where you can pick a name and a color theme. You can sign in with a Google account if you want your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords to sync across devices, or continue without an account if you'd rather keep it local. For clarity, name the profile something descriptive, like work or personal. If you see an option to create a desktop shortcut for this profile, turn it on. This makes launching the right profile a single click. Once your new profile opens, you'll notice it has its own window and its own profile icon. Any websites you sign into here will remain separate from your other profiles, which is perfect for keeping different accounts isolated. You can run multiple profiles side by opening another Chrome window for a different profile. To switch later, click the profile icon again and select the one you want. On Windows and macOS, you can pin each profile's shortcut to your taskbar or dock, so you can jump straight into the right context. Each profile has its own extensions. That means you can install productivity tools for your work profile without cluttering your personal one. Open the Chrome Web Store in each profile and add only what you need there. Similarly, settings like default search engine, homepage, and passwords are stored per profile, so customize each to fit its purpose. If you ever need a temporary window that won't save data, use guest mode from the profile menu. It's great for quick checks. Remember that incognito is private within a profile but still uses the same identity and extensions unless you change extension behavior. Profiles are what truly separate accounts. To remove a profile you no longer need, open the profile menu, choose Manage Profiles or the gear icon, click the three dots on the profile card, and select Delete. This removes its local browsing data but doesn't affect anything stored in the cloud for other profiles. With these steps, you'll keep your accounts tidy, reduce login friction, and work more efficiently by launching exactly the profile you need every time.